Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to build and monetize a Chrome extension in 2025 step by step. So let's get into it. Step 1. Create a folder with your base files like manifest.json, popup.html, popup.js, and styles.css. Step 2. In your manifest.json, define your extension's name, permissions, icons, and scripts. Make sure to use manifest v3 format. Step 3. Add your core functionality in popup.js. For example, it could block ads, summarize text, or save links. Step 4. Test it by going to chrome://extensions, enabling developer mode, and loading your unpacked extension. Step 5. To monetize, add a premium feature using Stripe or Gumroad, or list it as paid tool in the Chrome website store. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.